Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add multiple cards on one listing. So all you have to do is head over to ebay.com/sell, and from the selling page, just start by listing an item. Let's start describing the product that we want to sell. Say for example, we're going to sell a shoe for women. Then just click on search. And from here, let's just continue without a match. And we're just going to select a condition. Say, for example, it's new without the box. And click on continue. So from here, just scroll down and head over to variations. But as you can see, variations are unavailable for this listing. And all we have to do for this to be available is scroll down and head over to the pricing section and change the format from auction to buy it now. And if we go back to variation section, we can see here that the edit button is now available. Just click on edit. And from the variations page, you can now add multiple cards on one listing, and all you have to do is click on the specific card. Say, for example, we're going to choose attributes for our products. Say, for example, we're going to choose accents, and we have few options here. All you have to do is select multiple options, and those cards will be added on your product list. Then once done, just click on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!